Welcome back to Abby and Alyssa's talk show host. I'm Abby and this is Alyssa.
Well, I'm Alyssa. Why do I keep doing that?
Well, we said we'd have Hannah on the show, but we don't know for sure if she will be here. You know if she's going to be here?
I don't know. Is Hannah out there? Peoples?
Okay. Hannah, come in.
Maybe I don't want to.
Hannah, get your little butt out here. So, Hannah, how old are you?
10.
When's your birthday?
November 8th.
Can you talk up some?
8, 9, 10.
So, what do you like?
Cats.
Cats.
Bunnies.
Bunnies. Interesting. Like, what's your sport?
You know cats eat bunnies?
Oh, and I also like birds.
You know cats eat birds?
I don't like dogs as much though because they stink and you need to give them a bath every day or else they'll stink like milk.
Okay. Okay, so what's your favorite sport? Hockey, basketball, football, swimming, fishing, eating,
Swimming.
swimming, okay.
Interesting.
So
So is him kid out your ass?
Yeah.
man, she must feel pretty damn shitty.
Yeah.
Shitty day right there. Shit, look at the time.
So, thank you for watching.
And wait, did you flush her?
Yes.
Oh, you flushed her. You're mean.
Why don't you go get a donut?
Because there is none.
Yes, there is out there.
Oh, there is?
Yes.
Get yourself a donut.
Anyways, okay, we'll see you next time on Alyssa and Abby's talk show host. Bye!